Hi guys, welcome to the short videos. You're learning math with Mazhar. Here we are solving now today IB math calculus, especially at the derivative part of a given function. I've taken up the functions which are basically of the form, the power rule of the derivative that we have. Suppose like if you have a function a times x raised to n, then if you have to find the derivative, or basically the slope that we call, is nothing but n times the coefficient of the variable x to decreasing 1 in the power, in the exponent. That is what you have to apply in all those questions, irrespective of what you have in the power. So let's just explore a few questions to cement our understanding for the given problems. Let us take one particular question first that I've taken, 4 times a raised to 4. So you just have to decrease one number in your exponent and multiply the number given there. So like 4 times 4 a raised to decrease 1, so 4 minus 1 is 3, so 4 times 4 16, a raised to 3. Isn't it simple? That's how you have to do it. So now moving on to this one, if you have y, it means it becomes y dash because you are doing it with respect to x, which is obviously nothing but the slope of the given curve. Now x raised to 1 by 4, it means write 1 by 4 times x, and decreasing 1 basically means like it is 4 over 4. So this times luckily get cancelled and you will have x raised to 1 by 4, 1 minus 3, it is negative 3 over 4. That's your derivative. How about this one? It is going to be the same thing, same process. You have 10, but x, it means here it will be 1. So it means 1 x raised to decreasing 1. So basically this reduces to 0, and we know anything exponent, if it is 0, it means it is 1. So I'll have the constant 10. Or for that matter, you can say directly that it's only 10 because the derivative of x is going to be 1. Well, what if you have a constant, like let's say you have 10? So how you're going to do the derivative of this one? So it means if you plot this line on the graph, 10 is up. So we know the horizontal line slope, that's what we are finding the derivative with respect to x. The horizontal line slope is always going to be 0 because there is no x involved here. It means obviously the answer would be 0. So derivative of a constant is 0. Now keeping these different set of questions that I've taken up, constant and x, and with the power, the rational, and the power with the positive number, even we could solve it for the negative exponents also. So let's just explore some questions based on that. Now let's just explore some more questions based upon the finding the derivative of the given function, where I have taken up in some of the questions as the negative exponent. So same process, we'll apply the power rule of the derivative that we have, keeping the constant intact. X raised to 3 means decrease 3, x raised to decrease by 1, 7 as it is, and then you will have 2 times x raised to decrease by 1, and as I said, it's a constant, so it will be 0. So the final answer would be 3 times 3, 9x square, minus 7 times 2, 14x. Similarly for this one, y dash 102 remains, and derivative of x is 1. So basically you will have 102. As I told you, remember it is x raised to 1. So as per the power rule, it says decreasing 1. So x raised to 0 means 1. That's the reason I'm writing directly 1. Again y dash 5. Now this is where we have negative exponent. Same process, minus 2 x raised to decrease by 1. So decrease by 1 means the next number is 3, minus 10 x raised to negative 3. Similarly y dash, in this case 10 times x, you can just multiply it, it will be like 10 x plus 20, and then you can do the derivative 10 only because 20 is constant, 0. Similarly for this one, derivative of 8 is a constant, so it is 0. Minus 4, as x raised to 2 means you'll write twice, 2 times x raised to decrease by 1, so negative 8x is your answer. What about this one? It will be 2 times x raised to 2 minus 1, 1, and 3, the same process like we did for b bit, 1, and 6 is 0, so it means that's your answer. I hope you like the video. Please like and subscribe for more such videos. Thanks for watching.